English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build a vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, Occupy, Priceless, Quote. Occupy. Occupy is a verb. C1 learners usually know occupy. At C1, occupy means to control, to move into a place and take control of it. Here are some examples. The army aimed to occupy the town within the hour. Troops invaded and then occupied the country. Some facilities were occupied by Soviet forces. Priceless. Priceless is an adjective. C1 learners usually know priceless. At C1, priceless means really important. Here are some examples. The cleanliness of the world's oceans is priceless. The organ donor offers to a dying person the priceless gift of life. To have an internship with such a company is priceless. Quote. Quote is a verb. C1 learners usually know quote. At C1, quote means to repeat and also to give an example. Here are some examples. Can I quote you on that? He is always quoting Shakespeare. She was quoted as saying that there was no money left. Now write some of your own sentences with occupy, priceless and quote. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.